Chinese food. Chinese food is a wonderful journey of flavors and traditions that has spread across the world. This video will explore the diversity, history, and popular dishes of Chinese cuisine, suitable for intermediate learners of English at the B1 level. The diversity of Chinese cuisine. Chinese cuisine is known for its variety and richness. It is not just one type of food, but a collection of different styles that come from the various regions of China. The most famous regional cuisines are Cantonese, Sichuan, Shandong, and Jiangsu. Cantonese cuisine, from the Guangdong province, is famous for its dim sum, a type of small dish served in bamboo steamers. It includes a variety of dumplings and other bite-sized foods. This cuisine is known for its light and fresh flavors, often using steaming and stir-frying as cooking methods. Sichuan cuisine, from the Sichuan province, is famous for its bold flavors, especially the use of garlic, chili peppers, and the unique Sichuan pepper. Dishes from this region are often spicy and mouth-numbing, offering a unique taste experience. Shandong cuisine, from the Shandong province, focuses on seafood and soups. It is known for its delicate flavors and elegant presentation. Vinegar and garlic are commonly used ingredients in this style of cooking. Jiangsu cuisine, from the Jiangsu province, is famous for its attention to detail and emphasis on preserving the natural flavor of the ingredients. The dishes are often lightly seasoned and beautifully presented, featuring a balance of sweet and salty flavors. History of Chinese cuisine. Chinese cuisine has a long history, dating back thousands of years. It has evolved over time, influenced by various dynasties and regional preferences. The use of chopsticks, an essential tool in Chinese dining, began during the Shang dynasty, 1610-46 BCE. The Silk Road, an ancient network of trade routes, also played a significant role in introducing new ingredients and cooking methods to China. During different dynasties, the imperial courts influenced Chinese cuisine, leading to the creation of elaborate dishes and the development of sophisticated cooking techniques. These traditions have been passed down through generations and continue to shape the way Chinese food is prepared and enjoyed today. Popular Chinese dishes. There are countless delicious dishes in Chinese cuisine, but some have gained international fame. One of the most well-known is Peking duck, a dish from Beijing that features crispy roasted duck served with pancakes, spring onions, and hoisin sauce. Another popular dish is Kung Pao chicken, a Sichuan dish known for its spicy and tangy flavor. It typically includes diced chicken, peanuts, vegetables, and chili peppers. Sweet and sour pork is a Cantonese dish that has become a favorite in many parts of the world. It features deep-fried pork pieces in a sweet and tangy sauce, usually with pineapple, green pepper, and onion. Dumplings, particularly those enjoyed during the Chinese New Year, are also widely loved. They can be steamed, boiled, or fried, and are often filled with meat, seafood, or vegetables. Eating habits and customs. In Chinese culture, food is more than just sustenance. It is a way to bring family and friends together. Sharing meals is an important social activity, and dishes are typically served family style, with everyone sharing from the same plates. Respect for food and the way it is eaten is also an integral part of Chinese culture. It is common to use chopsticks for eating, and there are certain etiquettes to follow, such as not sticking chopsticks vertically into a bowl of rice, as this resembles incense sticks used at funerals. Another custom is the tradition of yang heng, which means to carefully balance the different flavors and ingredients to achieve harmony in a meal. This concept reflects the importance of balance and harmony in Chinese philosophy. Conclusion. Chinese cuisine is a rich tapestry of tastes, textures, and traditions, from the fiery spices of Sichuan dishes to the subtle flavors of Jiangsu cuisine. There is something to suit every palate. The history of Chinese food is intertwined with the history of China itself, making each meal a delicious journey through time and culture. As you continue to explore the English language, learning about the diverse world of Chinese cuisine offers a delightful way to expand your vocabulary and cultural understanding. Whether you are enjoying a steaming bowl of wonton soup or trying your hand at making stir-fried noodles, the flavors of China are sure to enchant and inspire.